Good day, everyone, and welcome to Nizaluchi. Welcome to another epic episode. So, the MK party has now recruited new members, like this gentleman here, Max Makhanya. Just a day being there, invited by the leadership of Umkhonto weSizwe. I don't know who invited Max Makhanya. He was there at Beachwood Hotel in Boksburg with the MK party leadership taking pictures, but there's someone who invited Max Makhanya. As much as there's someone who is using him for what benefit, I don't know. Did you hear what he said? Did you hear about what he said about Duduzile, about Dlamini Ndlela? Did you hear what he said about Jacob Zuma's children? This man is cursing everyone, is exposing things, is talking bad about people, is embarrassing the party. You chose this. Who went and fetched this guy here? You didn't hear what he said? Listen here.
uDuduzile Zuma ucishe wayiqeda imali ze-MK party ePhalamende. Wazidla wacishe wayiqeda uDuduzile Zuma. uDuduzile Zuma akazwani nobaba uJacob Zuma ugedle ihlekisa umsholozi okuwubaba wakhe. uDuduzile Zuma nobaba uJacob Zuma abazwani ngenxa yokuthi uDuduzile Zuma wayeziqeda nya imali zomkhonto weSizwe ePhalamende, zifakwa kule account le kaTalente, zifakwa kwi-account kaTalente abese ilanda ngo-backdoor, zifakwa kwi-account kaTalente ayilande ngemumva. Wazidla waziqeda uDuduzile Zuma imali ze-MK ePhalamende. Namhlanje uDuduzile Zuma ulwa no-SG uSibonelo Nomvalo, usebenzisa amasosha, lezi impumputhe lezi zamasosha ekuthiwa zuMkhonto weSizwe, zisetshenziswa ile ntombazanyana le uDuduzile Zuma ukuthi izicontrole lezinto lezi, ukuthi zilwe nayo yonke into ezama ukwakha umkhonto weSizwe ukuthi ungabi stokfela, kunaloko ube yiqembu eli-official nelamukelekile emphakathini. uSG uNhlamulo Ndlela ufike kumkhonto weSizwe, umkhonto weSizwe sewudirejistwa kwa-IEC. uSG uthe mayifika kumkhonto weSizwe eqokwa ubaba uJacob Zuma, wafike warescueisha umkhonto weSizwe from being deregistered kwa-IEC. Namhlanje umkhonto weSizwe uyiqembu elihlonishwayo ngenxa kaNomvalo from February or March, if I'm not mistaken. Imsebenzi nje ayenzile uNomvalo efika kumanhlalu ku-upside down, bebhizi oDuduzile Zuma bedla izimali zomkhonto isinomi kanjani, becontrola umkhonto ngamasemba. uDuduzile Zuma oSG baphambilini ebadonsa ngekhala, kuyena odetectayo ukuthi lo SG uyaxoshwa, lo uyahlala, lo uyaxoshwa, lo uyahlala. Any SG omelana nezinhloso zikaDuduzile Zuma ubexoshwa emkhontweni. Nina bese nithi ubaba umsholozi uxosha abantu, kanti bekuyimsebenzi kaDuduzile Zuma, isikhohlakali sentombazane eyiwele. Siyabonga Duduzane mfowethu ukuthi ubile insizwa, awuzange ulithathe isayidi likadadewenu, awuyanga ngokuthi iwele lakho, kodwa ubile insizwa mfowethu, walimela iqiniso Duduzane. Ngiyabonga Duduzane mfowethu, Duduzane ngiyabonga ukuthi ulimelile iqiniso, wangasayida newele lakho, wangaya ngokuthi usisi wakho yiwele lakho, wathi wena uzolimela iqiniso. uDuduzile Zuma isigebengu lesi esadayisa ngeingane zabantu eRussia. Namhlanje leso sigebengu esuDuduzile Zuma sihlangene noNhlamulo Ndlela. uDuduzile usebenzisa amasosha lawa omzabalazo. Bese kuthi isigebengu lesekhanda ikhanda elikhulu leli ubhazabhaza leli ikhanda lelincegela uNogolantethe wencagela lo owuNhlamulo Ndlela noyise igebengu uyise kaNhlamulo Ndlela iphara isigebengu isigila mkhubi ibhantiti leli eluyise kaNhlamulo Ndlela lihlangene nendodana yalo uNhlamulo Ndlela kulwiswa uNomvalo uyalwiswa uSG uSibonelo Nomvalo ulwiswa uNhlamulo Ndlela noDuduzile Zuma.
This man here will be the demise of the political party. This man here has already tainted the political party and given it some bad image, because he's busy cursing at people there in that political party, calling out Jacob Zuma, telling Jacob Zuma what to do and what not to do. He's busy now crucifying members of the MK party. According to him, he is exposing every rot, everyone who has stolen, who has taken what. Seems like he has some information. So there are people who are using this judgment because they know that he has a platform to voice out their dissatisfaction on what is happening inside Umkhonto weSizwe. So there are some comrades who are harboring some secrets of what have been happening in the MK party for the longest of time. And these comrades, they just decided that the only way for these secrets to be exposed and to come out to the public is to invite this guy that you see here, Max Makhanya, to speak about people, to speak about Jacob Zuma's children, to speak about Jacob Zuma, to confront Jacob Zuma himself and tell him what next.
Webaba uJacob Zuma, ngicela ukuthi ngokukhulu ukusheshsha ngokuphazima nje kweso singoMakhanya siyacela ukuthi ikhansele lento le. Ikhansele lento ebizwa ngepresidential team Tontoni yini strategic presidential team. Ikhansele baba umsholozi lento le iyawubulala iyawuqeda umkhonto. Khansela lento le, khansela lo doti lo baba uJacob Zuma with immediate effect. Amandla kaSG awabuyele kuSG. Lento kuthiwa strategic presidential team bathi yini yo leyo nto nje ikhansele baba uZuma, ikhansele baba umsholozi. Amandla kaSibonelo Nomvalo uSG kazwelonke weMK awabuyele amandla akhe njengoba enjalo. Kusho thina oMakhanya siyacela baba uGedle ehlekisa, siyazi ukuthi le video uzoyibona futhi lesi sinqumo esisicelayo uzosithatha ngoba siyaphuthuma.
Now this guy comes and he seems to be fighting for Sibonelo Nomvalo, but I will not say Sibonelo Nomvalo is the one who invited him. He's not careless like that, but the person now who will be the brains and who will fuel the dismissal of Sibonelo Nomvalo is Max Makhanya, because now he's coming, he's cursing at everyone, but at the same time he appears as if he is protecting the MK party SG Sibonelo Nomvalo. So what message is he sending? He is telling the party to say that no, Sibonelo Nomvalo is fighting, bringing people in now who will fight on his behalf so that he will remain in that position of being the SG. So already anytime now he can be just removed there anytime, because I don't know who went and fetched this guy who is ruining the image of the political party. Now a lot of people are losing confidence in this political party daily.
Uyabona uMax Makhanya uyanilaya Duduzane. Uyanilaya uMax. Don't forget where you come from. Ungabakhohlwa abantu laba builde umkhondo. Ukugijimela into lenyiwana. Nawe Khanyile bonkosi Khanyile uyanilaya uMax Makhanya. Uyanikhomba ukuthi uMax yena udila ngemali. President yelakho manje ukhomba wena Max ukuthi umuntu lo njani. uMax usebenza ngemali akadlali. So nazenzela kulawanye ama-comrade ngeke sikhulume ngemagama yabo nabasebenzisa ningabaniki imali. Uyabona lana nifike ekugcineni ukhomba nini ukuthi nini nicabanga ngathi nazi kundlula labanye bantu. Don't forget where you come from. Ungabakhohlwa bantu laba builder indlo bayebeka ku roof level. Uma bafuna kuyi-roofer wabakhipha wafaka labanye bayi-roofer. Okusalayo uma uwa uyobuyela kubo labantu bastarte i-foundation. Ngoba manje nibhizi niyagijima nje. Hayi ukuthi anikwazi nine ukuthi ngibobani labe bapresent MK party. So banilayile nina anikho discipline nina. Ni out of order. Nine cabanga ukuthi nine nazi kakhulu. So what goes around comes around. Yithini manje ipain lenizwayo?
There are people who are working inside the party for the demise of the party. What's your take on this? Do you think those ones will win, who have recruited Max Makhanya to be part of Umkhonto weSizwe and to take pictures with the leadership and post there, and the following day, just within 24 hours, now he was cursing at everyone in that political party? What's your take on this? Please leave it on the comment section below, and don't forget that you can subscribe to this political YouTube channel, and let us meet on the next video. Me, myself, and I, and I'm out.